What is up, YouTube? And today we're going to be doing a mukbang challenge. I gotta do my skin.
Now I'm doing it at school.
I'm
talking about homeschool.
Remember when you were good that one day I woke up and did?
Oh yeah, he started tickling my feet.
Remember that one
You
day?
be cracking up.
Remember that one day you was doing your work and then all you just heard is that music your teacher. This is not white. The teacher was singing. This is my skin.
What?
This is my skin. This is real good.
He said his fries light skinned, it's not white.
It's white. Not white.
What y'all doing school day?
We put, like, we went outside.
I play basketball.
I went outside.
And
I didn't never go outside at my
I never see your class outside. I always pick everybody else.
You always see everybody else outside?
I feel like a grandma.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, I always see the other classes outside.
oh my god.
You don't see me out. You don't see me outside because you don't be driving by
He
me.
grabbed so juicy. I was at David. Oh my god.
What?
I was at Davion's school.
You was looking at me?
Hold on. I can't talk right now.
Ew. You have to do that, Mom?
It's so good. I need some of your juice.
Ah! Drink out this baby. I put water in it. And I drunk it.
Ew, bro.
What? What?
Are you stuffing your mouth?
You think it's good? Then I woke up. We got to school.
Ryan, why you wake me up so early?
You be waking up so early.
I opened my eyes and you said don't wake Davion anymore.
It was not even 7:30.
When it's be time to go to school, I be going to go to bed. It be 7:30. Then we gonna have 30 more minutes to sleep. What? What do you mean?
And my throat.
Oh my God! Why do you keep on doing this?
That was so good.
You said it's so good. That probably would be you.
We can't even talk.
I forgot the thing that I was about to tell you. Oh, I'm not yet.
Give me a cup and her juice. A cup and her juice.
Oh,
I gotta go spend the bread.
I
said bring the juice first.
It's meat on her lips. You talking about
In
me?
my cup. What?
I said it's meat on her lips.
It's what?
It's meat on her lips. Not funny.
It's meat on my lips.
Ew, you nasty. I said it's meat. And it's a song.
What?
It's a song. Woo. Hey, can you come here?
Come on, man. No. Monkey see, monkey do.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Monkey see, monkey do. Tornadoes kill you.
That rain was crazy.
I know.
That hell was crazy.
And them little kids had to walk. And I knew all of them in their little cars.
We don't want
You should walk with
lips. The mistake and Jazika on her lips.
You mean start walking with them? You mean
Walk
start?
them home.
No.
Push your cup. I mean,
Sit down.
Push the top one.
no, the bottom one.
So I can be on low power mode. It's just me and my girl.
It's me and
Little
that.
Craig drink.
Huh?
I mean, smoky drink.
Little kids drink like that.
Smoky do too. Oh, Friday.
Yeah, he a kid. Why do Craig dad do this? Why do you do that? Why are you moving?
Full.
You ain't food. You ain't even ate all your food.
You ain't even touch your light skin fries.
My lights can't fry.
Wait, he ain't want no burger?
I don't want no burgers.
This burger over there.
Oh, give my burger! Yay!
You're not about to play with it. If you don't know it, you know.
Oh, you thought you said that because you thought I wanted it?
You want it? Can you go get my juice?
I'm about to go to bed after this.
Why kids just drinking from it? My dad won it. Who won it?
Me?
No, you're not. Ooh. Ooh, my stomach.
Yeah, with Davion. I got a little Davion to practice.
What?
Don't we get out at 5?
5:30. Yeah, 5:30. Mom. Still eat. Not gonna have it.
I remember the hot Cheeto challenge.
I want. in the midst of them top top.
Burp.
I didn't make it so big.
I can burp every time.
Oh my God, that was real. That wasn't no fake one. That was a real one.
Mine wasn't.
That was like, I don't even know how to make myself burp.
She said, I did.
I bark and fart.
That's nothing bad. You burp.
Okay, guys, so that was the mukbang challenge. I gotta go because I gotta go get
Davion.
official Day.
Bardo.
Basketball practice. So,
But his name is Bardo.
Bark. We gonna catch y'all in the next video.
Deuces. Deuces.